I've learned the hard way that energy is everything, and once it's gone, you can't get it back. So today, while I was doing puzzle number 41, I caught myself thinking, where is my energy really going? Today's word search puzzle number 41 from our book of random words was full of fun double-letter words like queen, commerce, and drill. I used my usual setup: multicolored markers to guide my eyes, the crisscross strategy to manage the grid, and I paid close attention to letter chunks like E, A, T in threat, A, I, N in trainer, and day in Sunday. These small tricks really make a difference in solving faster and keeping your brain sharp. But while doing today's puzzle, this thought came to mind: your energy is your greatest resource. So protect it. Stop wasting it on comparison, drama, or people who drain you. Use your energy on what fills you up, like brain games, healthy routines, and things that help you grow. Word search puzzles is just one example and are a simple but powerful way to recharge mentally. They help with memory, focus, and give your brain that gentle but effective workout it needs. If you're following along with me, grab your copy of the book. Links in the bio. Let's build stronger minds together, one puzzle at a time.